Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 2135 printer driver in Windows 11 or Windows 10 by the simplest way. I will give you two simple ways to install this printer and I hope one of way is work for you. So let's go. First of all, just go to the any web browser and here just type HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 2135 printer driver and hit enter. And first link is from the support.hp.com. It is an official link of the HP. Open that link. Okay, now here close it and just go to the software utility at here. Okay, then just click at here. Here is the our drivers for scanner and printer. Just click at here or click at download. I save this on desktop. Our download is completed, so cancel it. And here is our .exe file. And I will go with the first way. First way is very simple. Here is the our .exe file and we go with the our first way. First way is just right click on it, show more options, extract file. Okay, click at extract file, click on OK. Here is the our drivers. Now we just go to the start, type control panel, click on the control panel and here just click on the devices and printers. Okay, here we click on add a printer, minimize it. The printer that I want isn't listed, click at here. Here just select add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, click on next. Import, just select any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, just select any USB port, click on next. Here just click on have a disk, click on browse, just go to the desktop, our drivers are on the desktop, just go to the our file and just select any file. Okay, just select any drivers file, all files are working. Okay, open it, click on OK. Now here is the our printer driver. Okay, select that, click on next. Okay, now here is the our printer, just rename it. Okay, and click on next. Now if you want to test page, then test page or click on the finish. Okay, now check our printer is installed or not. Just go to the devices and printers and here is our HP Deskjet 2135 printer installed. Okay, but our scanner is not installed. For that purpose we just go to the our desktop. This is our second way to install scanner with printer. Okay, now just double click on this .exe file. Here is the .exe file, double click on it. Okay, and continue, click on next, click on next, select the agreement, accept, no thanks, no thanks, and it is installed your HP Deskjet 2135 printer automatic. Just click on next, next, next and your printer and scanner is automatically installed. Attach your printer with your PC or laptop and just go with the next, next, next and it is automatically install your printer. In this case my printer is not physically available, so I just click on continue installation without connection now. Okay, now skip it and our scanner and printer is both are installed. So guys, this is the simplest way to install HP Deskjet Advantage 2135 printer driver in Windows 11 by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.